rise. This is a special session of the Washtenaw County Trial Court regarding the oath administration of Ms. Ashley Bashir. The Honorable J. Cedric Simpson presiding. You may be seated.
You may be seated, folks. All right. Sure, it's a pleasure being here and able to serve in this role, to swear you in as a member of our bar. We all know that you are a member of another bar in some small state out east. What state?
New York.
New York. Oh yeah, that little place. All right. Anyway, I think somebody is before my court via Zoom, although I said that I don't. Oh, she is. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure Madam Public Defender was present. Although I said I don't take motions via Zoom, somehow or another, Ms. Anderson was given a special dispensation so that she may make this motion before the court. Ms. Anderson.
Thank you, Your Honor, and thank your staff. I hope you had a happy holiday and a Merry Christmas.
Yes, I did. Thank you.
Good. It is. I'm very honored to be here. This has really been a long time coming. I've had a chance to work with Ashley over the past few months, and she has embodied everything that you would want in a lawyer. She is knowledgeable, patient, kind, and compassionate. She will not only be an asset to our office, but to our profession as a whole. And it is with great pleasure that I move to admit Ms. Ashley Bashir to the State Bar of Michigan.
Fantastic. Okay, thank you. Are you ready to take outside? I don't know how long New York's oath is, but I think this one is the longest oath known to mankind. I think the other states just kind of say, you do? Okay, okay. Anyway, are you ready for this? Well, tell me a little bit about yourself. I see you at times during the day, but you don't really say much about yourself. What do you want people to know about you?
I'm honored to be working at the Washtenaw County Public Defender Office, and I don't know what to say about myself. Honestly, I didn't even think about that. I'm originally from Washtenaw County, so one thing I'm excited to be able to do I'm excited that I'm being admitted in a court in the county I was born in, where my family is, for the first time, so that I can practice here, and actually, put down roots in my community. Even though I've spent a lot of my adult life outside of Michigan. So, before I came here, I was at a university. I was at the University of Pennsylvania, in an academic kind of postdoc position at law school. And I wasn't practicing at that time. So a lot of I'm kind of a new attorney in practice here. And it's been really great being able to learn over the past several months at the public defender's office here.
Fantastic. And I will have to say that when I run into you, I would always ask you, well, when are you going to be able to practice? You'd say, soon, soon. You are the most patient individual I've ever met. I would have gone crazy waiting as long, but you were very patient. I also know you are a Yale Law grad.
Yes.
Very good. Why'd you leave that out?
It's a law school. We all kind of learn the same things. What really matters is how you practice.
I'm sure the people at Yale would love to hear that. Go ahead.
We also don't have grades there, so you can't even evaluate me compared to my peers.
No grades?
Yeah, you get an H or a P unless you fail, which would be pretty bad. But yeah.
Really?
Yes. Yeah.
I need
completely obscure.
Just have to hit that bar.
Yeah, it makes it a lot less stressful, to be honest.
Gotcha. Okay, I was not aware of that. All right, young lady, you are ready to take this out.
Thank you.
If you please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, Ashley Bashir.
I, Ashley Bashir.
Do solemnly swear or affirm.
Do solemnly swear or affirm.
That I will support the Constitution of the United States.
That I will support the Constitution of the United States.
And the Constitution of the State of Michigan.
And the Constitution of the State of Michigan.
That I will maintain the respect.
I will maintain the respect.
Due to courts of justice.
Due to courts of justice.
And judicial officers.
And judicial officers.
I will not counsel or maintain.
I will not counsel or maintain.
Any suit or proceeding.
Any suit or proceeding.
which shall appear to me to be unjust,
which shall appear to me to be unjust,
nor any defense,
nor any defense,
except such as I believe
except such as I believe
to be honestly debatable
to be honestly debatable
under the law of the land.
under the law of the land.
I will employ for the purpose
I will employ for the purpose
of maintaining the causes
of maintaining the causes
confided to me,
confided to me,
such means only as are consistent
such means only as are consistent
with truth and honor,
with truth and honor,
and will never seek
and will never seek
to mislead the judge or jury
to mislead the judge or jury
by any artifice by any artifice
by any artifice
or false statement
or false statement
of fact or law.
of fact or law.
I will maintain the confidence
I will maintain the confidence
and preserve inviolate
and preserve inviolate
the secrets of my client,
the secrets of my client,
and will accept no compensation
and will accept no compensation
in connection with my client's business,
in connection with my client's business,
except with my client's knowledge and approval.
except with my client's knowledge and approval.
I will abstain from all offensive personality
I will abstain from all offensive personality
and will advance no fact prejudicial
and will advance no fact prejudicial
to the honor or reputation
to the honor or reputation
of a party or witness,
of a party or witness,
unless required by
unless required by
the justice of the cause
the justice of the cause
with which I am charged.
with which I am charged.
I will never reject
I will never reject
from any consideration
from any consideration
personal to myself
personal to myself
the causes of the defenseless
the causes of the defenseless
or oppressed,
or oppressed,
or delay anyone's cause
or delay anyone's cause
for lucre or malice.
for lucre or malice.
I will in all other respects
I will in all other respects
conduct myself personally and professionally
conduct myself personally and professionally
in conformity with
in conformity with
the high standards of conduct
the high standards of conduct
imposed on members of the bar
imposed on members of the bar
as conditions for the privilege
as conditions for the privilege
to practice law in this state.
to practice law in this state.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, counsel. Like to approach? I always like to shake council's hand first once they become legal. All right. Thank you. Were there any other, Madam Public Defender, was there anything you wanted to say about this
Sure.
wonderful person?
What I can say is I remember when she came and she interviewed for the position here. I had not known that she was from Washtenaw County when she applied. And as you could tell by how she presented herself here, she's a genuine, humble, compassionate person who I knew could represent our clients in a very competent and compassionate way. So I'm just honored that you have joined our office and that now you have joined our bar here.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. And I don't know if either one of our magistrates, I see Magistrate Garwood is tuned in. I don't know if she wanted to say a few words or not, or.
If I may, Your Honor, thank
Yes.
you. I've had the privilege of having Asley in our courtroom with us for quite some time. And we have, I'm sure, bothered her to no end, trying to find out what the status would be when she would become a full-fledged attorney here in the state of Michigan. She's conscientious, humble, and compassionate. And the bad part of her being admitted now is they're probably going to take her away from my courtroom, which will be a very sad day. But I will see her on weekends and holidays. So, Asley, congratulations. Shannon's here too, and we're super proud of you. And we know you're going to change the world. We can't wait to see what happens.
Thank you very much.
All right. And I don't know, Magistrate Garwood, if you heard Madam Defender's acknowledgement about taking her away. All Madam Defender said, all she said was, yes.
I'm trying.
All right. Thank you. We have some paperwork to sign. And actually, it for me is a pleasure. I've gotten kind of to know you, just kind of has gone back and forth and had a few conversations. And I just want to say I am humbled and I was honored that you asked me to do this. It meant a great deal to me. I know some people don't think it really means that much to the judge that's doing it. This one meant a lot because I think the words that people use to describe you about just being sort of humble and patient. And sometimes you just know a good person when you meet them. You just really do. And that was how I felt about meeting you. You were a good person. Never boastful about yourself, never any of that, but just genuine and down to earth. So for me, this has been a great, great, great honor to do this today. All right. So did you go to high school here in Ann Arbor?
Yes.
Which one?
Huron.
Oh man, I wouldn't have done this. I had no. I was gonna ask, and then I said, let's not ruin it because if she picks the wrong one, it's gonna be a bad thing. So okay, I guess everybody does bad things in life, and I've just sworn in a river rat. Okay, all right. Thank you very much. I will sign the paperwork here, and that will end this session of the Washtenaw County